Kapag-upgrade naman na tayo sa life. Really green here. Akit pa daw. Nakakatakot yung Welcome back to our Layover Diaries, and we are here in Berlin, Germany. So today is December 4, and I'm gonna go to the Queen of Tears location. So that's why we're here. That's why we requested for it. This is my second time here in Berlin. The first time I've been here was 3 years ago. That was my first solo flight as a flight attendant. One of the reasons why I requested for this, syempre, no first flight ko before, I don't have any money. I don't have any budget. So, pangit pa ng ayos natin noon before. So, ngayon medyo nakaluwag-luwag naman na and nakapag-upgrade naman na tayo sa life. So, and then later on, magkikita kami ng mga crewmates ko sa Christmas market. Dito lang sa tapat ng hotel namin. So, that's it. Okay. See you later. Bye! Hello, sir. Yes. Okay, we are now here in Berlin Cathedral. First stop. This is where the Queen of Tears shoot as well. Yung scene nila na nasa Germany sila, na parang pinipilit niya na magpagamot si ate girl. Ganon. Okay, so we're going inside the cathedral. I paid for 10 euros. Let's see what's inside. So if you want an audio guide, you can buy here. But I don't need an audio guide because I don't want to go. I just want to go inside. Guys, look at this. It's so pretty. So, nakaabot ako sa mass kanina. Parang 30 minutes lang yung mass. And then ngayon, I'm here. Itutour ko lang tong cathedral. May parang panoramic view. And then, we're gonna go na outside. And then, ayan. Medyo napagalitan pa ako. Kasi tumayo ako agad. Before matapos yung mass. Pero hindi ko kasi alam. Umalis na kasi yung si father ata. Uy, ang taas. Napagod ako. So, ayun. Umalis na siya. Nung tumayo ako, tatapos na rin. As in, nag-amen na. So, dumiretso ako. Tapos, pinaupo ako ulit. So, sorry po, hindi ko po alam. Grabe, hiningal ako. Ang taas ito. Tingnan nyo. Ang taas, nakikita nyo ba yan? Hingal na hingal ako. So, maririnig nyo yung hingal ko. Ang taas pala nung inakyat ko. Ganito pala sa church, yung pinakataas ng church. Buti may access dito. So, ay, hello. Gulat ako. So, let's see what we can see here. Okay. Uy. Akit pa daw. Oh my gosh. First time kong makaakyat sa tower ng isang church. Oh my gosh. Hindi ko na-expect to. Kala ko magtutour lang ako inside the cathedral. One more. Okay. On the top. Oh my gosh. We're here on the top of Berlin Cathedral. Oh my gosh. Guys. It's panoramic view of Berlin. Oh my gosh, papakita ko sa inyo. Sobra sorry sa hingal. But we're here on top. And so, we're here on the top. Hindi siya nabibigyan ng justice ng camera. Pero, in my eyes, ang ganda niya. I swear. And I think that's it. We're gonna exit now. Sulit naman pala yung bayad ko. Nakapagsimba na ako ng unexpected. Nakaakyat pa ako dito sa tuktok ng church. First time kong makaakyat ever sa may pinakatuktok ng mga cathedral. Kasi I think sa Manila Cathedral, I don't know if pwede or may bayad or something. This one naman may bayad din, but it's 10 euros. And sobrang ganda pa ng view. Guys, paulit-ulit kong ipapakita. I'm gonna go down now. Sakit ng binti ko. Tapos ang lamig. Okay, so, pababa na tayo. Ito yung nakakatakot kasi medyo steep. Pero mukha naman siyang safe. Kakapal ng mga bakal. And wala naman akong nararamdaman na umuuga-uga. So, nakakatakot lang kasi sobrang taas talaga. As in. Ganyan, ganyan. Yan yung bababain natin. Oh my gosh, nakakatakot. So, hindi ko alam kung ano yung nakakatakot. Yung hagdan pababa o yung nandito ako sa loob ng church na nakakatakot. Mag-isa na lang. Kasi, ewan ko kung nasan yung iba. Inikot ko naman. Pero, ilan na lang kaming natira. So, I think bumaba agad yung mga tao. Okay, I'm almost there. So, did you see that? Diyan tayo umakyat kanina sa tuktok niya. Nakakatakot siya, pero bearable naman. And safe naman. So,
maybe I was confused, or did you feel it too? In that room, it suddenly just felt like it was me and you. 'Cause I forgot about your friend. What's his name again? I really can't recall a single thing of what he said to me.
okay. We're done na here sa may photo spot for this background. And nakapag-ask ako ng photo from the stranger again. Ganun lang, para-paraan lang pag mag-isa. Anyways, I'm done na here. I think I'm going back to the hotel na. Ang ganda dito. So ngayon, nararamdaman ko na wala na akong kamay sa sobrang lamig. Kanina, okay pa yung temperature ngayon. It's getting colder. And then, it's already 1 p.m. na. And in 2 hours, magsa-sunset na agad. As you can see, palubog na yung araw. So, let's go to Christmas market. So, andito na sa likod ko yung Christmas market. Medyo maaga pa naman, 2 p.m. pa lang. Later, pupunta natin yan. Katapat lang ng hotel naman yung Christmas market. And also, regarding sa Christmas market na yan, sabi ng reception, ito yung pinakamalaking Christmas market here in Berlin. So, let's explore later. So, may ticket pala siya. May entrance fee. Kasi maganda naman talaga. Tapos hanggang dulo pa. And then, seems like ang laki niya. Okay, so it's 3:48. Bumaba na ako for Christmas market. Mag-snacks lang ako kasi mamaya pa ako mag-dinner. Pero baka ito na rin yung dinner ko. So, let's see. Bakit ganun ang lamig? So, ayan yung hotel namin. And then, ito na yung Christmas market. So, sana naintindihan niyo ako kasi nasa ilalim kayo ng scarf ko. So, let's see what we can eat here, what we can see, and what we can buy. Hala! Walang gagastos. So, ayun. Then I saw this ramen place. And I was so shocked kasi may ramen sa Christmas market. So, tamang-tama, sobrang lamig. And ayoko naman mag-hot chocolate agad. So, I opted to eat muna. Gutom na rin naman ako. Kasi nag-breakfast pa ako mga 9 a.m. pa yun. So, I'm gonna eat ramen muna. And then, let's see kung masarap. Pakita ko sa inyo yung order ko. Ramen. I'll see you later. Well, naikot ko naman yung Christmas market. Interesting every year. But I'm not gonna spend a lot of money. Kasi alam ko naman na overpriced yung mga nasa Christmas market. It's just that, yung experience kasi, that's why I'm here. So, ayun lang. Let's see later. Puro let's see later. So, that's the Christmas market here in Berlin. And then, that's the only Christmas market that I will visit this Christmas season because ang flight ko lang is Berlin, Rome. That's it. And then I'm going home for vacation leave for Christmas and New Year. So, ang dami palang kainan dito. Okay. So, ayun lang. After that, that's it. Kasi sa Rome, late naman yung arrival namin. So, hindi na kami punta sa Christmas market. And sobrang layo daw ng hotel sa city. So, I doubt na mag-Christmas market kami doon.